to be a part of this event. So, a big thanks to the organizers. And it is a very good initiative, Sanjeevani, I came to know. So, let's hope some output or some outcome of the event will be very much positive for every one of us. So, we have, I think, according to the organizers, we have 30 minutes to go. So, within that, I have a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. So, along with that, we have some brief introduction. So, my introduction is I love to be called as a teacher, or you can a motivator, or a very much you can say uh, love to know people and understand their mind and this thing. It has become a passion of mine. So varieties of clients we are going through, and apart from my teaching also, I have taken a my hobby or passion, as you have called this thing nowadays in that term of the youngsters. So that we taken up psychotherapy, and also I am a faculty to All India Institute of Medical Science, Bhubaneswar, to the nursing college where I teach psychology for last 7 years, and also I am a faculty to the PG department of Ravenshaw University, which is the oldest university of Odisha, like Burla. So this is enough for my introduction. Let's don't waste more time on the other things. So let's come to the thing that being a psychologist, apart from psychotherapy, what I can say, the modulation of mind and self. Some brief introduction I'll give you. If you like it, or if you want some modification or some addition or some elaboration, we can have further discussions also. Let's start with the concept that every person has a mind and a self which combine together to see that what I can do for myself. My mind is not stable, it goes on, and the self is inside, sitting inside and looking at the mind, what you are doing. So that modulation must have a trend or orientation towards success and minimization of mistakes, errors, or lack of confidence. Developing something negative should be minimized. So let's take up the concept of mind and self together within ourselves and take the journey. So before that, I can ask you one thing, because Burla is my birthplace. I was born in Burla. My father was a reader to electrical engineering that time. Then he got transferred after that to NIT Rourkela. So, as my birthplace, I want to ask you, Kenta Otsobo? Any answer? Any response from you people? Kenta Otso? हेलो समझ में आता है यू बिलोंग टू बुर्ला
ଭଲ ଅଛି,
इतना
ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି ମ୍ୟାମ୍।
ଭଲ ଅଛୁ ଏନ୍ତା कहब ଭଲ ଅଛୁ okay thank you so much for your gesture so let's move to the PowerPoint where we want to take up many things in our journey so I'll share the things uh, now it's about concept of emotional intelligence, which is a very big aspect of the mind and self combined together. So you might have studied, you might have heard about that, but just don't go to the details of that. But it's a journey of mind and self. After this next slide, I'll just ask you to close your eyes for 1 minute and we'll talk later on. let us see here that from this slide, we'll switch to the next one, and you close your eyes and just have a look. Hold on. What did you feel after you listened to this one line? I hope all of you might have thought many more things, possibility, positivity, and success, many more things drag to your mind. That's mind. And all the things also made you to feel calm for a second at least through this particular song. This is one line which has given you a calmness for half a second or half a minute. It is a modulation of mind and yourself. That's why you are very much okay with this particular situation of 1 minute in life. Okay. So, thing is that if this one moment will be continuing for whole life or majority of the moments of our life, then how happy we will be. So let's take the next part of our journey. So we'll see to that. Now this is the thing where your mind works. The deadly reality before all of us. The deadly reality before all of us had made us to feel either something of the choices down. We can say brave, sadness, depression, anxiety, strong, or something else. So everyone has tried to see the world in a different perspective. How it happened. This one case study, I can say, COVID-19, have has given you thousands of crores of responses around the globe which affected the person. So what do you say to that? Everybody didn't react in the similar manner. That's psychology. The previous slide also was psychology. This is also psychology with all the negativity, all the impossibilities to every sphere of life. You found that you are an individual single handedly tried to handle this deadly reality in your own manner. What is that called in the psychological phenomena of individual difference? So we just go with that. Why do we differ? And what are the theoretical interpretations of individual difference? We are not going to discuss. Just an acceptance that we differ. All of us differ. From one particular context of life or event of life or experience of life, we just differ in our responses. The same thing is independent. COVID-19 is independent and everything is dependent what way we really like to see our mind and self. Self is disturbed, for which we can see mind also has also taken the disturbance. Also to the self, both are not okay. So this is one life experience I had given as an example to know your mind and self, how they respond. Let's move on to see that with these individual differences, every one of you try to take your journey, what is your mind and what is your self, cumulatively giving you as an individual. So I differ from everybody else in this world. So know yourself is the only strategy or the mechanism. But how to know yourself? Let's move forward to your journey. That the real journey starts with the concept of how your clues of your mind and self gives you a clarity. The clues are can be taken as you are the students of this modern age, and the science, technology and other things are a part of your daily routine life and thought process as well. So certain mechanisms are there as a part of the psychological intervention to see what a person can know about himself through one SWOT analysis. SWOT will go one by one. So SWOT analysis will give you clues about your mind and self that you take forward or carry forward towards the understanding of self concept. And you need to have a balance of all the things which will take you as an individual or credible individual into the journey. So let's take up this. So first of all, still I remember when I was working in an engineering college, Geeta you might have heard about that. It is in Bhubaneswar. So I was a coordinator to 7th semester students. So for which pre-placement training was very much predominantly taken care for the students. And we had to take every one of the student for their SWOT analysis. And I also wanted to share with you here, so how to know the strengths of yours, weaknesses of yours, opportunities and threats are not under your control, it is somewhere else outside. So what do you mean by strength? Strength of the person. So we'll come to that, how to find your strengths. I'll share a document, or you can take text after the event or the meeting is over, so that you can go through your strengths and weaknesses in your own time. So strengths are your capabilities, credibilities, potentials. Weaknesses are where you really have some deficit. You want to do something, you want to think, you want to explore, but certain weaknesses take you back. So those are your weaknesses. So in that particular concept of strength and weakness, both the mind and the self are involved, because mind says this is my strength, but a weaknesses again is dragging back to see that it is average again. So how to conquer your weaknesses, how to utilize your best possible manner of utilizing your strengths, that should be taken care. So that I can suggest 3 golden moments of your life and 3 black moments of your life. You pick up, make a narration, and just try to visualize what was your role there. Black moments, what was your role there? How did you feel? Just try to recollect, which are very much, you can say, taja memory mein hai. You are not able to take it back. So strengths are visible gradually with this exercise, and also black moments. We also tried to, many engineering students in 7th semester, people try to show a good thing, that somewhere they find that I am a winner. Somewhere they find that नहीं हो सकता, मुझसे नहीं होगा. So then what about the opportunities? Opportunities are like in the wave, they are floating. Every positive thought that comes to the mind of a person is having its value in the market. So every new invention or every innovation, every new idea can be sold. That's the best formula of marketing management. Every new concept, every new idea that comes to your mind can be sold undoubtedly, because it's come from your within yourself. It is having some creation, some generation, some initiation. It takes a long journey to rehearsal is very high or very much predominantly happening within the mind before the person feels that I have this idea. As you say that 1,000 times you talk to a person that you are good or bad, before that 1,000 times you have rehearsed in the mind that person is bad, and there is 100 justification to say that he is bad. So you can have your own life experience. It can't be borrowed. It can be experienced. It is experienced by you. Take all these 3 golden moments and 3 black moments. Try to analyze what did you play at that point. So that shows your strength and weakness very clearly. आप try तो करो so that you can find a way. Now, opportunities are in the web, in the world like that. वो वाइब्रेशंस में है, वो वेब में घूमते हैं. You have to focus it and take it to your own confidence and grip so that you can take the opportunity. Opportunities are very new things, and that is when you are trying to work between balancing between your strength and weaknesses. Weaknesses are to be suppressed or ignored, or it has to be converted to strength. So that I can say here I can say that this thing is this thing you can say strength is extended. If your weaknesses are converted to strength, weaknesses W is coming to S, the area of S is extended. Similarly, the opportunities you can take more and more, then also your strengths are tested time to time. So you don't have any doubt here. So then comes the threat. Threat is always comes from weaknesses, or you are not utilizing your strength properly, then it becomes threat sometimes. But threats like COVID-19, that also is a threat. All the natural calamities, technological change, choice of the customer, and the power base, who is in the power. Everywhere you find threats which are not under your grip. But your weaknesses you can convert to strengths so that threats will be minimized. So there is a combination of SWOT which will give you very much clarity that how you grow with that. Okay. So then comes to the self. That is, mind is explored first. Then you come to realization of that inside your mind. You take it to your cognitive credibility. What do you mean by that? You understand it, you interpret it, coordinate it, organize it, then keep to your memory what you learned. So every moment you are learning, every moment it is coming to self, getting tested, again coming back. Situations are a big part to play the role here. So situations are a part. Context is a part. So whenever you try to focus on yourself, just you have an exchange of dialogue, transaction of dialogue with the whole environment. So in the environment, who are the players? Either it's a person, it is a situation, it is a context or life event like COVID-19, or it is a place or an object, or it can be you. You can be an enemy to yourself, you can be a friend to yourself, you can be a godfather to yourself. So mind comes to the self label. Then comes the mechanism of Johari window. I can place it. This is a very big or useful tool to understand where exactly your mind and self is coming to stay or reside. Like the four quadrants of the SWOT, here also there are four quadrants where you can find that's an open area like the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. You combined SWOT, just entered here. So then what are these four quadrants? You have to be very clear here, known by both you and others. What you know about yourself. I can come to show the self-image. That is the self-image. You can see yourself. That is you show to external world. People know about you. Somewhere people are not aware about your things, thought, everything. That can be, we can talk about the psychological phenomena of unconscious mind by Freudian psychology, but we are not referring here in detail. But in general, certain things we want to share to the external world so that people can know about me. Certain things I hide, certain things I don't know that people think about me. Sometimes people say, you are like this. You don't realize that you are like that. That's become a blind spot. Similarly, here also, you can find that there is a blind spot, there is an open area, there is an hidden portion of our life, which is a very big thing. So that your open area, you can pick up this open area, like this open area can be extended. If you want to know that what other people think about me, the blind spot is reduced. What people think about me can be coming here to the open self. That is called open self. That's blind self, hidden self, and unknown self. So we are referring to the concept of self here, where we see that things are not very much known to others. And it is the hidden part. So you want a disclosure. What will take you to the open area from the hidden? Some aspect of your life, thought, and mind from the self should be disclosed to the open area so that you can speak about yourself to people. That is, open area is still wider. So when you are in the open area more and more, you are more comfortable, you don't have a conflict, you don't have a stress, you know that I am like that and people also accept me like that. So when you try to take a shelter inside yourself, people should not know about me or what people may think about me. These things bother you so much. Stress, anxiety can be reduced. So yourself can be a transparent, visible part of your own understanding. It is very good so that we can see the self-image very clear. What really I want to see? I want to see if I am smiling in front of the mirror, it is a smiling face I can receive. So this way you can, yourself is getting some maturity to create an image within your open self, and definitely an esteem. Esteem is the level of your understanding with a confidence, and that is with the open self itself. All of them, they take together to the ideal self. What do you mean by ideal self? Is what my identity I can see down the line of some 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, or in my life. Ideal self is the representation of self within my mind that I want to see me or I want to know myself. So with this, I can say you can have a set of questions I have given here, not for your this session working out for this, but I can just pick up some that combination of self-image, self-esteem, and your ideal self gives you a great concept, that is self. So self-concept is the outcome of all these things which you have seen so far. So there are many questions you can try if you want, but not for discussion in this particular session because lack of time. But suppose you want to give a time, or if you want to give an effort to your lack of confidence, it will be confidence. Lack of some, you can say, understanding, so that is called doubt. If you focus on your stress, either it is an anxiety about certain things won't work, about the future, or you have done something for which you may feel guilt. So these are the dimensions of self-concept where you need a balance. So you need a balance, but balance is a very thin line. Remember this thing, this balancing requires or needs to be addressed when you find that it is imbalanced. And to my, as a therapist, I can say, for 7 days, if you are finding your behavioral pattern, thought process, your daily routine is getting disturbed, it should be addressed that you are not okay. Somewhere in the self, something is hinting you. We have to explore that. If it is through the self concept, it's well and good. Otherwise, if you can think that this, I should get rid of all these things. So you can refer to a counselor, therapist, or somebody who knows, who can suggest, who can give a direction to you. So balancing is not the success, not the failures, but maintaining the thin line between success and failure. So what I can suggest, you come out from your comfort zones. Sometimes you might have seen that people are sad all the time, they want to be sad. That becomes a comfort zone to be in the sadness. They don't try to explore that I can be happy. It's a line, but you have to maintain that balance. So I hope that whatever in a very short time share with you is giving you some, you can say, eye view, or you can say some initiation to explore your own mind. So thank you so much. हम होंगे कामयाब. Okay.
Your inspiring words. We would really like to take up some questions if we have from our students.
Yes, definitely. Take the questions.
If anyone has any questions, you can just unmute yourself or can just type in the chat box.
How are you? First, my question answer to that. How are you?
We are healthy and safe, ma'am, at our homes.
That is for COVID. COVID is one case only. But there are multiple cases which we create for ourselves. And that is very difficult. Yes. Please repeat your question. Asis.
Ma'am, but mentally we are not safe.
That's why I'm here. Don't worry. So mentally, why you are not here? What really bothering you? That you are isolated, you are restricted, so many things are not possible at this hour. So it is almost 1 year and around that. But you can take this first key, how to handle. I told there are 5 stimuli. We can say the stimulus is one word in the psychology. Either it can be a person, it can be a situation, it can be an object or place, it can be a life event, and you can be yourself also. So pick up this one life event. COVID-19 is a life event which was not there 1 year back or 2 years back. It will not be there also after some years. If we take a focus on that thin line, should we be feeling sad so much, or we should also accept this situation as a part of our credibility or potential about the threat that goes on? How to treat with the threats? how to take the opportunity from them. Now I am coming to AIMS Bhubaneswar, and many such senior residents, I am also counseling them, how they are taking their lives, you can know, all the days putting the shoot and inside the ICU and all. How they are inside that also they are creating something. Otherwise, they are also similar human beings. Army front, everybody is there. It is a pure autocracy, you can see. Autocracy is 100% maintained in that organization of army, where people are successfully contributing. It's highly productive. There is no doubt about that. But it's a different trend altogether. Army is successful. The human beings who are there in the army, how they are handling their lives. It is purely only order. You can't think. So the modulation of mind and self has been taken a different trend or training that we can say. That is, productivity is high still. That's not a failure. So we are restricted because the civilian life is different. But if we pick up the doctors and the healthcare, you can say, takers, so that we can find how different their life is. Can you say that we can take one single day to lead their life? Answer is no. It is so scary for them and so different for them. Within these 1 and 2 years, many of I know the medical PG students for pathology are not taking the course. They are waiting for another year to apply for the course. Many such things also a part of this. Pathology, they are not interested any further for taking PG course. They are just skipping the admission and next year they will try once again. That also some students have done. So apart from psychological part or psychological territory where you stand with your mind and self, the environment is taking you like a remote control. So mind and self is intact, remote control घुमा रहा है. कहाँ फेंक रहा है, that depends on you. Situation is independent. Suppose I told something very good to you. Your students are very good. You have taken an initiation. How did you feel? For 2 minutes at least you felt very good, energetic. And in other side, if I say, your students are like that, so much thing, I don't like all those things. I don't say to my students also, even if they do all nuisance. Acceptable. ठीक है, बच्चे हैं, youth हैं, so many things they are explored. So what suggestion for my youth also, I am very competent enough for taking the mind reading for youth and youngsters for many years. So I sympathize to myself by thinking that youngsters are exploring so many things. मल्टीटास्किंग करना है, बहुत कुछ करना है, कुछ अचीव करना है, नौकरी भी लगना है, पढ़ाई भी करनी है, गर्लफ्रेंड भी चाहिए, बॉयफ्रेंड भी चाहिए, एवरीथिंग दे हैव. कोई बड़ा सा धमाका कुछ एडवेंचर भी करना है. हाउ यू विल टेक योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट? ये अंदर से सही रहना है. Then only you can take up your thought towards that particular, which you don't know that I will take up this, how the journey will be, you are not sure, but you have certain things. That is called motive as a psychological phenomenon. You have many needs. गर्लफ्रेंड चाहिए, पढ़ाई चाहिए, सब चाहिए. तो हाउ टू प्रायोरिटाइज? आपके अंदर की स्ट्रेंथ विल गिव यू द प्रायोरिटाइजिंग कॉन्सेप्ट. दैट साइकोलॉजी. दिमाग से काम लेते हैं, दिल से काम लेते हैं, सो कंबाइन कीजिए. So it is about how to prioritize at what point of time, in which context. I am giving an example of this AIMS also. Client, first year से person is in relationship with somebody else. Okay, girl के साथ या girl is with the boy. And if you are trying to say that the boy will just say that I'll get married, don't worry, we'll wait after 4 or 5 years. How can it be the this question is not for that particular moment. The first year guy, how can he can know after 4-5 years I'll just commit right now? Even I do not know where I'll have to go. It is not very easy. Certain times आपकी जो questions प्रश्न होते हैं उत्तर उस टाइम में ही मिलेगा. सो प्रश्न को छोड़ दीजिए. Question should go to web. Let the vibration take its responsibility and you get with all equipped aspect of that related questions and related periphery of that question. Expand your mind, give some time, hold on, watch it, then you decide. That takes 1 second. Transformation takes 1 second. Asoka, 1 second. So the transformation के लिए तैयार करना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. Certain responsibility आपको take, you have to take a think that so that you can fix your priorities. Priorities को like decision making. You are technical students, you know how to take a decision. So alternatives are found out and scan all the alternatives. Then you choose one. Which one? Most rational, feasible, fitting in to the present context. ये भूलना नहीं है. This you should not forget. So that prioritizing the needs, when needs are converted to the priority base, that is called motive. So need number 5 can be motive number 1. That is psychology. So you can prepare yourself to convert the need number 5. मुझे गिटार सीखना है. कब सीखना है? 2 साल में, 3 साल में, 4 साल में, अभी से नहीं, 2 महीने में मुझे सीखना है. That becomes a priority. So when you find that driving force, you are adding to the need. It's a psychological driving force. You are adding to your need very specifically, then it doesn't stop. Neither it takes a break or it stops you also. In spite of all the hurdles, all the obstacles, you move on. End result may be right or wrong. You are not worried for that. But definitely your effort, your sincerity, your dedication will give you that minimum you are achieving 90% of the things. May not be 100%, but definitely. There is no loss there. There is no loss there. Because the driving force, आप एक निशाना लगाते हो, just you निशाना, it should go to the particular point. If your mind and all the things, attention is focused on this particular target, definitely it will reach. हाँ, एक सवाल है कि while you are trying to take your steering and the driving force is moving on and on, obstacles आते हैं. Obstacles will definitely stop you, but you are still there to maintain that and cross it and go further. So that some delay may be. It can be delayed to some extent, not very much. Remember this thing, for the purpose for which, it's a psychological mechanism, for the purpose for which you are worried now, work on that. It will take less time to cover your conflicts and stress. For the purpose of which you are worried now, pick up a thing you are worried. That purpose is not going to solve. Mentally you are worried so much. Instead you go and put that effort, start working. It will take less time. करके देखो. Try out 100%.
Ma'am, I have a question. Basically,
Yes.
in this COVID situation, we are like all are sitting in home. So basically, at this point of time, we usually go at 4 p.m. like used to play cricket and stuff. So how to keep ourselves calm in that situation so that we can stay home and not go outside? Like how to keep teenagers calm?
It is good to go out first of all. Okay, rooftop है. Move out from your room. Room के अंदर रहना नहीं है. That is the thing. How as a youth also, online में बहुत कुछ activities चल रहा है. I am also involved in 2 helplines I have shown you. So anxiety high, calls are there. You attend those calls. It is not for every case is to be paid for and all. No, it is a society. So you can gather some people like the NIT Rourkela. I think they have started teaching the +2 students. They have made the forum and all. So online में youngsters को तो बहुत energy है. I have many ideas. Only I need support people. क्या करने हैं आप करिए. Old age जो लोग हैं, call them inside your locality at least. How are you, ma'am, or how are you, sir? That much is enough. It is, if a small thing also you'll try. If you ask your also जो maid घर में आते हैं, इनको पूछिए वैक्सीन ले लिया क्या? अगर नहीं है तो मैं ऑनलाइन में कर लूं तेरे लिए, ठीक है ना? वो भी बहुत कुछ है, क्योंकि मैं साइकोलॉजिकली मैं आपको बता रही हूं कि एक छोटी सी काम के लिए आप हजारों बार खुद को तैयार करते हैं. वो तैयारी आपको डाउन द लाइन बहुत सालों तक लेके जाता है. ये मैं बता सकती हूँ साइकोलॉजिस्ट के हिसाब से. मैं बता सकती हूँ एक छोटी सी चीज आप सर्व कीजिए. डाइनिंग टेबल में सब लोग बैठे, घर की सब लोग खाना खा रहे हैं, आप सर्व कीजिए, प्लेट उठा के अंदर रखिए, माँ की कुछ हेल्प कीजिए, पापा को कुछ हो नहीं हो रहा है तो उसमें हेल्प कीजिए. रूम के अंदर रहना नहीं है, रूम के बाहर आइए. आपके घरों में भी बहुत कुछ है. रिलेटिंग टू दैट इट गोज. इफ यू आस्क समबडी हाउ आर यू, आपको 5 बार सोचना पड़ता है मैं उसको पूछूं कि वो कैसी है, कैसा है. दैट इज साइकोलॉजी. तो ये आपको थोड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन अंदर से आता है, स्ट्रॉन्ग भी बनाता है कि मैं लोगों के साथ. अपोजिट ऑफ दिस आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. बहुत लोग आज भी, इवन माई ग्रैंडसन इज 4+ नाउ, नॉट 5 years. I have 2 kids, 2 children, my daughter and my son. All are settled or all are married also. My daughter is the eldest one. She has a son. So that's my grandson is 4+. They stay in Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore, as he says. So when he says that also, now when we try to take him out कि चलो नीचे थोड़ा साइकिल चला के आ जाना, ये ऐसा करना, he is getting scared. बाहर आना छोड़ दिया है क्योंकि कोविड. सब तो बता रहे हैं उसको लेके बैठो अंदर, कोविड है. आई एम आस्किंग अर्नब क्या कर रहे हो? नहीं, कोरोना इज आउटसाइड, वी कांट गो अप टू द गेट ऑल्सो. सो इसका जो हाल है 4 year old का, दैट इज ऑल्सो साइकोलॉजी. सो स्केयरनेस बढ़ जाती है. आई वॉन्ट टू सजेस्ट कि आप लोग रूम से बाहर निकलो. आधा घंटा, एक क्लास ओवर हो गया, थोड़ा ब्रेक में बाहर आओ, देखो क्या हो रहा है घर में भी. एक रूम में बैठते हो और एक दूसरे रूम में बैठो. आपकी सेटिंग टेबल चेयर का चेंज करो. आपके ड्रेस आप पहन, शाम को और कुछ पहनो. हेयर स्टाइल कुछ अपना बनाओ. पेंटिंग, गाना, ये सब करो. थोड़ी बहुत देखो कि इसके लिए जो मन की तैयारी, तो मन की अवस्था बहुत जरूरी है. आई वॉन्ट टू सिंग मीन्स चिल्ला के गाना गाओ भाई. तो कोई सुने या ना सुने, कोई प्रेज करे या क्रिटिसाइज करे, ये मेरी बात नहीं है. मेरा मन से मैं गाना गाऊं, 2 बात किसी को अच्छी तरह बोलूं. अच्छा, कोई किसी के साथ झगड़ा वगड़ा हो गया था, अभी इसको दोस्ती में कन्वर्ट करो. एक छोटी सी काम के लिए आपकी मन की स्थिति, मन की जो रिव्यू हो रहा है या आप री एग्जामिन करते हो कंटिन्यूअसली, वो बहुत जरूरी है. मैं तो बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग खुद की टेबल की डस्टिंग करो, खुद की बेड की बनाओ. आप अगर हॉस्टल में नहीं रहते हो, अभी घर में भी अपना बेड बनाओ. पानी भरो. I am not saying, I am a mother also, I am a wife, I am also. That's why I know what are the activities at home. एक रूम का चेंज करो, कुछ स्क्रीन है चेंज करो, कुछ करो. कोई अच्छा सा किताब किंडल में पढ़ो या परचेज करो। कोई एक मिट्टी में कुछ थोड़ा पौधा भी लगाओ, पानी डालो। एक कमिटमेंट खुद को करो कि कोई नॉलेज मुझसे आज मिले, दुनिया से, जानकारी के हिसाब से, या किताबों से, या कोई बोल रहा है कुछ, ध्यान से सुनो। ऑब्जर्वेशन आपकी बढ़ाओ। ऑब्जर्वेशन कैसा बढ़ता है? प्लेटफॉर्म का सीन इमेजिन करो, क्या क्या देख सकते हो, एक प्लेटफॉर्म का सीन भी लो। एंड वीडियो गेम्स में जितना टाइम आप लोग देते हो या मोबाइल गेम्स में, वो टाइम छोड़ के बहुत कुछ हो सकता है आपकी थ्रू, जो सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत ही आगे चलकर बहुत कुछ हो सकता है। कोई एक पढ़ नहीं रहे बच्चे, अभी 10th +2 में इनका हो गया, बट देखिए जो बच्चे हार रहे हैं, एग्जाम नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, उनके मन में कुछ स्थितियां हैं, पकड़ो, वो भी हमें भेजो। कोई एक है बैठा है, कोई एक काउंसलर या थेरापिस्ट, आप भेजो हम लोगों को कि कुछ समझाओ उनको। 2-3 लोगों को गूगल मीट पे बुलाओ, आपके रिलेटिव्स हो या उनके दोस्त लोग, आप बड़े हो, बताओ ऐसा ही सिचुएशन में हम भी जा रहे हैं। So the persons at the 10th, 12th and final year and who are having job in hand, इनको तो बहुत जरूरत है अभी। आप लोग भी थोड़ी बहुत ट्राई कर सकते हो कि टाइम को हम ले सकते हैं, बट इन लोग के लिए तो बहुत टफ है। सो योर प्रायोरिटी साइकोलॉजिकली आप फिक्स करने से पहले 1000 times your mind says yes I'll do it, yes I'll do it. That is the mind that converts the thoughts into your realization of the self, and a visualization of the mind brings you back to the reality that I can see this thing. Suppose एक क्वेश्चंस तो पूछते हैं प्लेसमेंट में कि इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, आपको भी पता होगा when you will go to final year, introduce yourself is the first question, and second question is how you want to see yourself down the line, 5 years, 7 years, like that. That's the second question. Both these two questions are very tough questions, but ये आपकी क्वेश्चन है, not others. ये आपकी प्रश्न है। अगर आप इसको ढालना नहीं चाहेंगे, पहले से आपकी तैयारी में नहीं है कि मैं क्या चाहता हूं, मैं क्या चाहती हूं, मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे क्या करना है। आइडियल सेल्फ में बहुत कुछ सेल्फ एस्टीम और इमेज का तैयारी और एक्सचेंज ऑफ डायलॉग्स हो चुका है। तो ऐसे ही डे 1 में बना नहीं, अपना आइडियोलॉजी, प्रिंसिपल, वैल्यूज ये एक दिन में तो बना नहीं। और एक बात है, डाउट हम ही अपने लिए क्रिएट करते हैं, वो साइकोलॉजी का खिलाफ है। सेल्फ डाउट डिटोरिएट्स योर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेल्फ। डाउट कब आता है कि मैं कर रही हूं या कर रहा हूं, वहां दिक्कत होता है, ये होगा कि नहीं होगा। बट बिफोर यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, इफ यू जस्ट क्रिएट एन इमेज ऑफ डाउट, ये तो एग्जैजरेट होते होते आपको बिठा देगा। साइकोलॉजी इज अगेंस्ट दैट। सेल्फ डाउट डिटोरिएट्स योर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ सेल्फ। बैलेंसिंग कहाँ होगा भाई? इट वोंट बी इजी फॉर यू टू मेक ए बैलेंस। बहुत कुछ बिगड़ने से पहले 3 चीजें आप याद रखिए। जो भी आपको सुविधाएं या दिक्कतें आएंगे, बट हाउ टू हैंडल इट, बहुत देर तक उसको उलझना नहीं चाहिए। पहले से थोड़ी बहुत आप इसके साथ भी लड़ पड़िए, मतलब इसके साथ ही रहिए, छोड़ना नहीं सेपरेटली। तो 3 चीजें हैं कि लाइफ में, एक है प्रिवेंटिव पार्ट, एक है क्यूरेटिव पार्ट, एक है मेंटेनेंस। सो एक है प्रिवेंशन। सो क्या क्या प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं आप? खुद की पोटेंशियल अगर सामने आएंगे, वहीं से आप तैयार कर सकते हैं कि प्रिवेंट मुझे क्या करना है। वीकनेस और शॉर्ट में आपको पता चल जाता है कि वो इवेंट जो मेरा ब्लैक मोमेंट था, मैं क्या प्रिवेंट कर सकता था या कर सकती थी। जो कि सिचुएशन वुड हैव बीन ए बेटर वन, बट इट इज पास्ट। सो फ्यूचर के लिए मेरा रेडीनेस क्या है? सो दैट सीख मुझे लेना है, दैट मैसेज मुझे खुद के अंदर लेना है, एंड दैट प्रिवेंट्स मेनी मोर एरर्स। देन कम्स द, if you are really committed something, still you have to have a patience। क्यूरेटिव मेजर के अंदर होते हुए प्रिवेंशन क्या हो सकता है? घाव है, ज्यादा घाव बढ़ने छोड़ दें या मलम लगाए, वो प्रिवेंट करे कि ज्यादा घाव ना बढ़े। तो वहीं पर क्यूरेटिव मेजर में भी 3 पार्ट है। प्रिवेंशन क्या हो सकता है, उसमें क्यूरेटिव क्या हो सकता है। सो आगे चलकर मुझे मेंटेनेंस को बहुत ध्यान देना है। एक एक लाइफ की इवेंट, एक एक लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस आपको यहां तक लेके आता है कि मेंटेनेंस बिकम्स वेरी इजी एंड कंफर्टेबल। कहाँ कंफर्टेबल होता है? इवन इफ यू हैव ए वुंड, you have a hope that it will be cured if I take its proper measure and care। केयर किसी की करना है? अपनी मन की, सोच की, थॉट की, और अपनी जो इसमें जो स्ट्रेंथ आते हैं सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस की। तो कॉन्फिडेंस को घेरते हैं कौन? इन्फीरियरिटी एंड अदर थिंग्स। कंफ्यूजन वहीं पर होता है। कॉन्फिडेंस को खींच के ले आइए, प्रिवेंट इट। सिचुएशन जो भी हो, कैसे उसको डील करेंगे हम? सो दैट प्रिवेंशन, क्यूरेटिव एंड मेंटेनेंस को हम साइकोलॉजिकली ले सकते हैं। फिजिकली बहुत कुछ ले नहीं सकते, या ले भी सकते हैं, बट साइकोलॉजिकली हम जरूर ले सकते हैं कि ये हम ही हैं, आई एम। कैसे होगा? सिचुएशन को दूर रखिए। मे बी हिंदी मूवीज में आपने देखा होगा, शाहरुख खान इज टॉकिंग टू अनदर शाहरुख खान। अपना दो शाहरुख खान इज टॉकिंग, दे आर टॉकिंग। एक शाहरुख खान बोल रहा है तू अच्छा नहीं कर रहा है, एक इमेज बोल रहा है कि तू बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, जो किया बहुत अच्छा किया। तो वन इज पॉजिटिव, वन इज नेगेटिव, कंफ्यूजन वहीं पर है। द व्हाट विल बी द सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट। तो पर्सन हैज ऑल्सो विद इन दिस you can say dilemma। So that dilemma is very very dangerous or harmful if you are not able to decide। तो हम ही हार जाते हैं। हमको लगता है कि क्या करे पता नहीं। Mind is disturbed, it goes to biological disturbances, physical, mental disturbance, emotional, spiritual, everything, even financial also। हेल्थ का डेफिनेशन क्या है? ऑल दिस डायमेंशन शुड बी बैलेंस्ड, नॉट ओनली माइंड, बॉडी, माइंड, spirituality, education, your finance, everything, then social and emotional above all। इमोशंस के नीचे सब लोग हैं। इमोशंस अपना काम दिखाता है, अपना क्या हम बोल सकते हैं रोल प्ले करता है। सो फॉर दैट सिचुएशन को कैसे आप डील करोगे, सो दैट यू कैन प्रिवेंट समथिंग फ्रॉम द सिचुएशन, you can have some curative aspect from the situation, and you can also know how to maintain। so situation को पिक करिए, एक सिचुएशन लीजिए, वो पॉजिटिव हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है। if the situation is positive और situation is negative, वो उसमें डिपेंड करता है कि हम क्या सोचें, क्या लें। पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कौन डिसाइड करता है? सिचुएशन नहीं। कोविड को क्या पता वो क्या कर रहा है? इम्पैक्ट हम ही लेते हैं। सिचुएशन इज ऑलवेज इंडिपेंडेंट। कोविड इज ए वेरी बिग केस स्टडी और सिचुएशन का एग्जाम्पल। छोटा छोटा जीवन में एग्जाम्पल भी आप लीजिए तो थोड़ी बहुत आपको पता चलेगा कि सिचुएशन इज इंडिपेंडेंट। वो बारिश हो रही है, उसको क्या पता वो क्या कर रहा है, बट हमें लगा कि बाढ़ होना है तो तैयारी करनी है। सो द सिचुएशंस आर मेनी टाइम्स नॉट अंडर माय कंट्रोल, unless and until I create my own situation. Self, मैं सब हर समय बोल रही हूँ मैं अच्छी नहीं हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, तो ये गलत है. अदरवाइज situations, बाहर environment is always giving you many such scope and opportunity to just have a cross check ki what is the situation at this point of time where I should take a safe side, or I should understand, I should realize what is that, what sort of impact I should take. So there is a technology change. Companies had to think. There is a COVID change. Organizations, countries, nations have to think. But situation को interrupt करना छोड़ नहीं दिए. So that is giving you a clarity that situation independent रहता है, but how it affects me, that depends on me. So मेरे अंदर self concept इतना अच्छी तरह maintain हो गया है, so that I can see my failures also, I can make a joke of that. हाँ अभी हो गया है भाई, एरर हो गया है, कल नहीं करेंगे. ये रियलाइजेशन अंदर आता है तो लगता है कि आई एम सेफ अगेन. तो लगता नहीं कि सब मेरा छूट गया, नहीं नहीं. Still there is a second chance which I can carry forward for my own growth and development. वो है अपना perspective of self concept. अंदर इतना अच्छाइयाँ को समझो. First is every person by birth is a winner. क्योंकि नेचर के साथ आप देखो, जितना खुश होते हो भूख नहीं लगता, कुछ नहीं लगता. एक्सट्रीमली आप दुखी हो जाते हो, वो भी भूख नहीं लगता. वो दोनों को छोड़ के बाकी समय में आपकी अर्निंग शुड बी देयर फॉर द ट्रेजरी ऑफ सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट. सो इट इज बहुत बड़ा है. इट कैंट बी measured under some, you can say, units only, but self concept you can create. I can give an example of Abdul Kalam. क्या था उनके पास, क्या नहीं था, just have a discussion, but still you remember him as a very good person. That's enough for his self concept, for survival. What way he led his life is still in the mind of every citizen of India and many around the globe. Many people also love it. So it is not that how you carry yourself gives a meaning. आपको पता चलेगा when you are also in a group. आपको याद होगा कि कोई एक दोस्त को हम सब लोग पसंद करते हैं. कोई एक बंदा बहुत अच्छा कुछ काम करता है, बोलता है, अच्छा लगता है, उसको मानने का मन करता है, सुनने का दिल मतलब मानता है कि उसको थोड़ा हम सुने वो क्या बोल रहा है. सो some authenticity or some depth of that self gets reflected to your mind. It's a vibe. It is not you can say manipulated one. It is an original aspect of that personality. So these are the things very, very important to see, that how the development of or growth and development of psychology, that takes an initiation from any small thing, but how you understand, you carry it into your thought, strengthens yourself, so that कोई टूटने का सवाल ही नहीं है. Things will come, things will go, situations will come, situations will go. Success will come, failures will again come. But you are, जो बोलते हैं कि पौधे इधर उधर हो जाते हैं, बारिश हो रही है, there is a very big storm which disturbs everything, but particular things still gets intact naturally. जो ट्रीज रास्ते की साइड में गिर जाते हैं, कोई गिरता नहीं है, उसमें क्या है, स्ट्रेंथ है टू होल्ड इट. सो वो आसान नहीं होता. रिमेम्बर, थियोरेटिकली हम अभी जो आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं वो इतना आसान नहीं होता, बट 100% देयर इज ए स्कोप ऑफ चेंज. चेंज को गले लगाना एक आर्ट है, दैट ऑल्सो लॉजिकली ट्रू. इफ यू गो फॉर लॉजिक, अभी दिन है तो रात का सवाल ही नहीं है, अभी रात है तो दिन का सवाल ही नहीं है. इट्स अ लॉजिक. डू यू स्ट्रगल? रात क्यों है, दिन क्यों नहीं? नो नो नो. सर्टन थिंग्स मान के चलना है, सर्टन थिंग्स एक्सपीरियंस के साथ चलना है, सर्टन थिंग्स को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए खुद को तैयार भी करना है. These whatever all these drama that are possible within your mind itself. माइंड का करिश्मा बहुत है, सेल्फ को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेगा एंड सेल्फ विल ग्रो. इट इज लाइक वो बोलते हैं कि फ्लावर का अपना फ्रेग्रेंस दैट कम्स आउट, उसको रोकने वाला कोई नहीं होता. नेचर इज दैट, इट इज नेचुरल. एंड और एक बात मैं बता दूं यंगस्टर्स के साथ आजकल जो हो रहा है, डोंट बिकम जजमेंटल टू एवरीथिंग. कंक्लूजन ड्रॉ करना, जजमेंटल मत बनो, साक्षी रहो. सी द सिचुएशन, सी द दृश्य को देखो, साक्षी रहो, जजमेंट मत करो, सो दैट यू कैन राहत मिलेगा. मेनी सच कन्फ्यूजन से आपको राहत मिलता है. तो जजमेंट करते जाओगे, कितने चीजों को करते जाओगे, थक जाओगे. मेंटल टायरिंग इज ऑब्वियस. सो एक चीज को देखो, एक न्यूज को सुनो, एक कुछ परखो, बट अपना अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ इसको देखो. डोंट जंप कि कोई बोल रहा है तो ये सही नहीं है, सुन के आप कुछ सोच लिया. नहीं, वो सोच इतना बढ़ जाता है कि माइंड इज overpowered with all those things. Oh, I can say it should be thrown in the dustbin, even if it is a case with yourself. हाँ, एग्जाम में कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ भाई, कल होगा. Have a hope, don't become judgmental. दूसरों के लिए जजमेंट लेना तो बहुत आसान होता है, खुद के लिए नहीं होता है. बट जजमेंटल मत बनो भाई. जो जिसका है अपना है, उसका अच्छाइयां है अपना है, उसका बुराइयां भी अपना है. सो इतना जजमेंट मत करो, थक जाने. अगर ये हम करेंगे जल्दी जल्दी थक जाएंगे. सो मेनी मोर थिंग्स यू हैव टू एक्सप्लोर, एक्सपैंड योर माइंड इन ए ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम that drags or attracts the positive vibes. And for that आपकी 24/7 की routine life should be maintained with some yoga exercise, which is a very good initiation of the organizers. क्या मुझे अभी और कुछ बोलना है, या आप लोग ऐसे ऐसे करो करके सब लोग जाएंगे तो मैं जाऊंगी, या अदर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो आर देयर आई शुड टेक? आयुषी क्या है? Where are you?
No,
Shall I
ma'am, actually nothing like that. It was
Okay.
really inspiring. And actually, we all are running short of time. So we also need to bring this session to an end.
Very
That's-
good, very good. Okay, okay. Any such question you can send me through WhatsApp. Okay. आपने
Yeah,
पहले
sure.
बताया नहीं कि you are running shortage of time, because हम लोग तो 7 घंटा 8 घंटा भी बातचीत करते हैं. So no worry. But okay, all the students, I request again that if any question, any query, you can send it to your organizer so that it will reach to me and I can answer you also. If you want separately in WhatsApp some queries of your personal things and all, that is very much well, I can accept it. So thank you very much
Thank
for
you, ma'am. It
listening
was
to
really
me.
so sweet of you to do this question. And it was really inspiring and encouraging with your words today in making this session more memorable one. We
Thank
really
you,
thank you to
thanks.
take up time from your busy schedule and grace this
So-
meeting. Actually.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
So,
Bye.
no, ma'am, we have something for you.
हाँ, अरे बोलो क्या
I
है?
would really like to take Nazia Didi to take up and recite a poem that's a token of love from our side.
Okay. Very good. It's also a nice gesture. Chalo.
Over to Nazia Didi.
A person with golden heart who have many talents. If the world is blessed with many talented people, then she is one of the fragments. A national scholarship leader and a rank holder too. I have never seen such talented who is as best as you. While describing your greatness, I am getting shortage of words. You are kind by nature and your mind is as sharp as sword. A bright student, great teacher, motivator, and many more talents are inside you. It's true that there are many talented people in the world, but like you, only a few. It's a pleasure that you are present with all of us today. Please fill our mind with your golden words like God's gracious rays. Under your guidance, we all will achieve every goal of our life. Your words will make our mind as sharp as knife. By attending a motivational speech, we gain many things with no loss. Thank you so much for your presence and giving your valuable time to us. Thank you.
Really a heartfelt thanks to the students. Really, I love you so much, and God bless you. All the good
Thank
things that
thank you,
you
Nazia
just
Didi. Now, we would like
thank.
to present a memento from the entire yoga family, and I would request our volunteer to present the memento.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you. It's really very nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome back.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
Okay.
proceeding further, now we would request Amarjit Bhaiya from second year to share a few words of vote of thanks.
Okay. Good. Good.
Thank you, Gayatri. A lovely and wonderful evening to everyone. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this event. I, on behalf of our entire yoga family, would like to thank our guest of honor, Dr. Anushri Mishra ma'am, for being able to spare some time out of her busy and hectic schedule to grace this meeting with her presence and share such valuable information with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to our Assistant Secretary Ashish Maidi, under whose guidance we were able to conduct this session smoothly, and to our team who have worked hard for it. Furthermore, I would like to thank all those who have joined us in this session and made it a success. Stay tuned for such upcoming events. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and be positive and be happy. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you, Bhaiya, for your vote of
Uh,
thanks. And with this, we are concluding our session. Thank you, respected Dr.
bye.
Anushri Mishra, ma'am, for your valuable time and words. I extend a hearty gratitude to our honorable dignitaries and our audience for joining us and making the event a remarkable one. Very soon, we will be coming back with many more motivating sessions. Until then, I wish everyone happy days ahead. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep smiling. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, ma'am.